You probably want to know how you can get the best free crypto signals. Well, the best platform to receive free crypto signals is Telegram. And you can get free or paid signals in Telegram. There are several different groups and channels in Telegram that they provide crypto signals. And as you know, crypto signals are basically trading ideas to perform a transaction on a cryptocurrency asset. Telegram crypto signals are appropriate for a wide range of financial objectives. Which means that it doesn't matter if you're a beginner or a professional investor, signals are the answer. It is said that paid crypto signals are better than the free signals. But if you find a provider with good history and reviews, you can gain so much profit with free crypto signals. Another way to get free crypto signals, which is less popular, is through email. But this way is usually for those who do not have Telegram.